We back with another video. I bet y'all can guess what we're doing again. Going camping. This time we're going up to Watson Lake. It's up near Tahoe. It's a little secluded lake, so it's pretty cool. There shouldn't be much people there. There should be a good little group of us going. Should be a little more, but I know some of them like to flake and wasn't really surprised. So yeah, there should be around like 5-6 of us. So it'll be a cool little trip. I might get some more videos or recordings when I'm driving up there, if it's worth the view of you guys seeing, but I doubt it. So that being said, I'll probably just start the video back up when I'm there. So yeah. I'm like 20 minutes from the campsite, but this back road's actually insane. The road's gonna be like this for straight 6 miles, which is dope. Yeah, I doubt anyone's coming back here. My brother's out there already. It is his birthday tomorrow, so I did buy him some cakes and stuff that he doesn't know about. So we're gonna surprise him with that as well. Big 23. That boy getting old as hell, but still grateful for my dog. So yeah, 2 of them, our homies, did flake. You know who you are if you're watching this. And yeah, I'll tune back in when we're there. All right, chat. So that lake spot didn't work out. I guess there's a guy living there for 4 weeks now. Since his house, apparently a tree fell on it. It's just cap. So we found a secluded spot here. It's pretty dope. It's not near the water, but what do you say? Where's he going? Did you say Malibu? So yeah, we got this cool little setup.
Hey, get down, Malibu.
Where you going? Where you going?
I'm gonna look for deer.
Let me change. All right, we're gonna go do a little hiking till they get here, and then I'll do a montage of us setting up. So yeah, hopefully we can catch a view up here, huh? Probably. All fitted up now. Got the truck. Did you lock your shit? You never know who's out here. Did you bring your... Yeah. Chat, look at this view. Yeah. This is insane. Looks like people ride their bikes out here. You guys can probably hear me fucking breathing heavy. I've been at the gym, just not cardio. I should have brought some shoes. My work shoes. Oh my god, chat. Oh my. No, this is sick. There's definitely some bears out here. The lake. He got me rock climbing and shit. Dude, I'm doing this in Mercs, guys. Oh yeah, this is crazy. Is that the resort? Careful, Malibu. Oh shit. This is crazy, guys. And we were gonna camp by a lake. Oh god. I'm sweating. What you looking for? It's a cool spot, guys.
You know, doing my check and it fucking messed up.
What you guys say?
Nothing. I ain't got nothing to say. Where's the ball?
We outside. Come on.
I stuck a fucking antelope. Got 77 yards in my broadcast.
What's bro? Hey, KizzyShot.com.
Shout out. Oh, huh?
Look at the setup.
Oh shit, hard.
There's no fish in the lake.
All right, we're gonna set up camp, and I'm gonna put our camera down somewhere. We better cook up some steaks. Brandon, you have the headlamp?
We cooking. About to do. We just killed a bear. So
That's that bear dick.
that bear.
Alright, this is what life's about, right? We had 3 people flake on us.
3.
And we would have given them rides too, but Eli, I know you're gonna watch this. You a bitch. Eli's a bitch. What is
You want
that?
some fresh picked blueberries?
We're really getting some bears out here.
That's a muff out ass?
Think about a single burger.
Fuck yeah.
Bro, we're just gonna cut these and we can pick at it. Yeah.
You can do that with a burger too.
Yeah, I ain't greedy, cuh.
We gotta do
Stop popping now, man.
Old white person seasoning.
Smack that bit.
Is it just salt?
A little bit of pepper. A little bit.
That's all you want on it?
There's a burger seasoning or steak seasoning.
Yeah, I'll probably grab some of that too. See the ice still?
How old is this?
Shit, it was in the freezer. Fucking.
Oh shit!
Oh, this is
This the live. This the live. You got any words of wisdom, Juan?
Man,
What you gotta say to all those people out
surround
here?
yourself with good people, man. Surround yourself with people who
smell like
choose you every. Yeah, gas gauge just lit this bitch.
Bro, put gasoline in here.
Nah, for real though. Surround yourself with people who choose you, man. Who get to come out and do this, step away from society for a little bit, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's the evil world we live in, and it's nice to take a step back and take a breather with good people.
It's like the video I sent you, man. You gotta learn to take a break and just
Put that
pause
in the
it.
link below.
Yeah, just
Y'all
pause.
need to go watch that shit.
Y'all gotta watch it. You just gotta learn to slow down sometimes.
Slow down sometimes, bro.
We're also caught up in trying to make money and get into our careers, but we don't appreciate the time we're doing right now.
Exactly. That's what really is it. You gotta be content with what it is, the present.
Yeah.
You focus too much on the future, you're gonna cause yourself to
You're gonna
go
be
down
stuck.
a bag rabbit hole. Then you're not gonna be content with where you're trying to be and where you're at in the present time.
You're just stuck there.
Exactly. Be grateful, man.
Yeah, so
Be
y'all
grateful
y'all
for
just gotta get it out there and just slow down.
Exactly.
Just don't overthink it. Times get hard, but
What are you all talking about?
Are we dead ass?
oh. But yeah, take shit slow and just enjoy life.
Oh shit, man. too short.
Look
You
at
only
this
get
shit.
one.
Y'all could be. This shit's free, by the way.
Bro, dead ass.
What's-
Free.
This shit is free.
$3.99, bro.
Oh my god. Is this like? Is this a full size?
Queen.
This a queen? Damn, this shit comfy too though. Why is this actually comfy? What the? The net's hard too. I just put nets on mine. I had to drill them though. Ooh.
Good.
Chat, look at this dude's view. Like he just ain't no bear is coming up here.
Sniper tower.
We got a watchtower up here, yeah. Does it get colder since you're up here or
No.
no?
It's insulated.
Damn. Fake. What you gotta say?
Shit don't be busting. That's all.
Benchmade, please sponsor this video.
Shout out Benchmade.
Shout out. This is
Show the chat. Chat, why did
Yeah.
this dude?
I got rice. We chilling.
Show him, show him.
with the bone, with the wings, with the 8
Why
wings.
he
bro.
been, they're
Is
just
that-
bones.
Is that from Whole Foods?
That's fucking Rayleigh's, bro. That shit was
Dead
good.
ass.
I was like, we're having
You got
steak.
light? Mmm. Come on.
Oh
stop
my
playing.
god.
That shit
Hey,
tripping.
shout out Chef Juan.
Hey yo, come on, turn me up.
Chat, Gage brought a single patty. Well, he said burgers. I thought he meant multiple.
Uno burger. That's what I meant. Oh, shit. So you got a butter base that I learned my cooking.
From who? From who? Shout out who?
Miss Rachel Ray, shout out. 12 o'clock, I watched you. Come on, baby.
It's the life, boys.
This is the life of hardworking men. With
That need a break from
need a break.
reality.
Hard working.
He got a legendary loot crate. What you got in the loot crate?
some ramen. You got some bison ranch
Ooh, he say ready.
jambalaya,
Jambalaya.
chicken coconut curry.
Damn. That's a good investment. Just to.
Got some
Oh, they don't
fucking
know.
Dippers.
They don't know about this.
Junior dippers.
Chat, y'all don't know about these for real.
These the shit.
Yeah, that's
I'll tell you
OG shit right there.
that. What else? What else? Oh, dude, the must-have.
Cause we getting sauce tonight.
Yeah,
We getting sauce.
you wanna see- you wanna-
Yeah, show 'em what we got. What's that say? What's that say?
Says
Screwball. Let me see the cooler.
Well, you're gonna have to go.
Oh, you'll go right there. We'll go right there. Cheers.
Cheers. We ain't got no beer in our hand yet.
What are you doing? Oh, Jack.
OG, cut. Everybody know me, man. That shit was heartbreaking though.
Was it worth it?
Definitely. Good experiences. That's the thing, bro. It's good to leave your hometown. Good to leave your hometown, for sure.
Chicken coconut curry
Okay.
refill meal.
You just put water in it?
So you boil water and then put it in there and let it sit for like 10 minutes.
Big bag, big bag.
Brandon, where's your camera?
I fucking heard.
Use that.
There's gas in that. I ain't trying to fucking.
Oh, there's gas in there? You good? You really putting that bitch in there? Ooh. We got fucking, what is it, screwball in here?
Screwball whiskey. It's peanut butter whiskey and some authentic root beer. Yeah, yeah, bro.
That's dangerous, chat.
All right, well.
They can hear that shit all the way. Trust me.
Alright, chat. So we're surprising Brandon for his 23rd birthday. Yo, some wholesome moment,
Happy
baby.
birthday to my dog.
Let's go, baby. Happy birthday, Brandon. Shit hard.
Tell him to turn down.
Alright, he's as we're walking up.
Get a picture.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Happy birthday to you. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
It's 23, right?
Oh, he on. Brandon on.
I got
go.
3 of these, so if you guys want some, I got.
Hell yeah, bro. Happy birthday, Brandon.
Thank you.
Chat, we upgraded the back. We got a full mattress now. Did you grab my stand, Brandon?
Oh yeah, it's on my camera. Back seat.
Alright. We got the light set up. We got a little upgrades. Got a net up top for some storage. Still got the handlebar. And then we also blacked out the side pieces here. I don't know, you can't see it. But I ain't waking up to no one. Only from the front though. People, I can still see through this one. But yeah, it's the setup. Alright guys, gotta go to sleep. Show you guys a little setup while I'm in here. I know I showed you guys already, but look how cozy this is. Finally blacked out the sides too, which is nice. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Don't know what we're doing in the morning. We might watch the sunset, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, stay tuned in. I don't know why I'm breathing hard. God damn. Good morning, folks. Woke up to these dudes fucking opening my lid. How you feel, man?
Like $1,000,000, bro. That was a good ass night. Got me some good ass sleep. How you feeling, bro?
My back hurts. I have to get another mattress topper.
Yeah, is it
I just gotta put something on all this. I don't know if it's fully
You sleep
expanded.
good?
Yeah.
You sound like a baby.
Yeah.
How-
You can just sleep on me. I'm a little bit comfier. I slept good though. I'm not gonna lie. Me and her cuddled.
Hell yeah. Me and Hayden we were nut to butt type shit.
Boy, drilling.
She see you, bro.
My tummy hurt, bro.
I'm gonna take a
Y'all
got
ate
a
so much random shit, bro.
Nigga.
that root beer and whiskey ran through my stomach, bro.
Oops.
Kinsley, get
Bro,
out
we finished the bottle.
No
Yeah, chat. That we finished a fucking
Fine.
We finished.
peanut butter whiskey bottle.
Yeah, that's true balls. It gets you, man.
I think we're about to go on a hike, though. On a little walk. So yeah, tune in. I fell asleep without my hoodie on. I woke up, my hoodie was on.
Oh, I was so warm Bro. Shit is so OD. That was my first time fucking sleeping in that bitch.
I gotta get another topper on that. I went with the cheap option. I gotta pee. Where's Malibu? Morning views. Back to that morning stroll. Dude's a bitch. Say you a bitch. Chat, I'm the only one that didn't bring shoes, bro. Hey.
In the bush.
What's a deer?
You see the pen?
Let's get that fucker. Top of the morning.
Top of the morning.
Nah. What's up, Hollywood? Top of the morning. This is insane. This shit's free, guys.
Free. $3.99.
Free 99.
You need some good people.
And a bottle of peanut butter whiskey.
Peanut butter whiskey. She'll get you right.
How y'all feeling?
I'm hungry.
Damn, that's the only thing y'all got.
We good though. We good. We outside. We outside with it. Where the bears at? Yeah, where the bears?
Boy, Hayden tried to kill a bear all night.
Don't stop. We really just woke up to this shit. Like, the fact that this shit is really free is just.
It's insane.
I just want to do this for the rest of a while.
What we did last night was probably very illegal.
Illegal? Why?
We're on North Star property.
No, the red. You see
bad.
that?
North Star.
Yeah, right here it is, but where we were, that wasn't.
Too bad the gates were open. I don't give a damn.
It had the red barriers, and we were outside of that.
I'm just gonna jump off.
Shout out North Star.
Carrying a fucking pistol that holds 20 rounds. That's double illegal.
We could have made it out.
I ain't getting eaten by no bear.
We got a line up here, folks. Gaze left like right when we woke up, so we don't see his. Yeah, look at the lineup.
Pro grill looks like.
Woo! Like I said, guys, this shit free. What you guys say, Hayden?
It's just peaceful. You
Facts.
ain't gotta worry about nothing.
Yeah, just push your problems away for today.
Put your phone down, put everything away.
You could get a bottle of peanut butter whiskey, finish it with your homeboys, and then sleep peacefully. And then peanut butter was coming out me. Fuck.
There's a coyote.
He said there's a coyote, guys.
Oh, I see him.
Malibu, get him!
That's a big ass coyote.
God damn. Chad, there's a coyote. I can't zoom in, but there's one.
Shit for real.
Well, you should have shot the coyote with your pistol.
Just clipping me? No, I don't need no coyote meat.
Back straps.
No, coyote is disgusting. I'll kill a bear.
Is that hella gamey?
Fuck yeah. That's just nasty. They have hella diseases.
So do I. Just see the pool I took over there. That's just a disease.
When are you gonna? It's just really free, bro. Free will to just go out and see the world. This is what life's about. Social media is just taking over everything. But we're using social media to show you guys and motivate you guys that there's so much more to life. So much more to life. Like, look at this. This is exactly what we're supposed to be doing. Going to see this beautiful world. Let's go, baby! Hey, hey.
Alright, chat. We wrapping up the video now. We're about to go hit breakfast spot up in Donner. I think it's like called Donner Kitchen. So if you guys are ever in that area, just try it out. That shit is fire. But yeah, look at the little trail we on. We got a couple miles of this. These dudes are smoking me out right now. They're fucking dusting me out. So I'm really just putting faith in whoever's in front of me. Just hating and just driving. I can't see. Can't see, and I'm on the camera. So we're different out here, guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to like and comment any spots you guys recommend. They gotta be free though, or any overland spots, because I ain't paying shit. Yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.